Dear students, in this video we will deal with chapter number 2, that is polynomials, and we'll come straight away to exercise 2.1, in which question number 1 is which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variables and which are not. State reason for your answer. So let's come to question number 1. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Yes, it is a polynomial in one variable, so we'll write polynomial in one variable, because you can see here only one variable is there, x. Now here again only one variable is there. Yes, only one variable is there, so this is also a polynomial in one variable because only y variable is present in this. Second, in this case this is not a polynomial. Why? Because the power of t here is not in whole number. Here you can see the power of t is not in whole number, so it is not a polynomial. You can write here because the power of t is not in a whole number. Again, in the same way, this is also not a polynomial because power of y is not in whole number here also. Here this is not a polynomial, this is not a polynomial in one variable, it is a polynomial in three variables, x, y and t. Three variables are there, so it is a polynomial in three variables. Okay, so it is easy to identify that whether it is a polynomial in one variable, two variable, or not a polynomial, or in three variable. Next question is, question number 2 is, write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. So the number written with x square is termed as the coefficient of x square. In this case, answer number 1, coefficient of x square is 1 here. In second case, the coefficient of x square is minus 1 here. Here the coefficient of x square is pi by 2. And here the coefficient of x square is 0, because x coefficient is given, not x square. They have asked you the coefficient of x square. In this case, first case is plus 1, minus 1, pi by 2 and 0. And next they have asked you to give one example of a binomial with question number 3 is give one example of each of a polynomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. So I have taken one example, you can give any one example. So here I have given one binomial, I have written one binomial y to the power 35 minus 7 pi and monomial 3y to the power 100. You can take any monomial or binomial with maximum degree as 35 and 100 respectively. Question number 4 is, write the degree of each of the following polynomials. So degree is the maximum power of the variable in the given expression. So let's see here, 5x cube, here the maximum power of x is 3. So here the degree will be equal to 3. Here the degree will be equal to 2. Here the degree will be equal to maximum power is 1 of variable, and if it is a non-zero constant polynomial, the degree will be equal to 0. So these are the answers of question number 4. Question number 5 is, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials, and here the classification is done on the basis of the power. If the polynomial has maximum power 2, it is called as quadratic polynomial. If the maximum power is 3, it is termed as cubic polynomial. Again here the maximum power is 2, so quadratic polynomial. Here the maximum power is 1, so it is linear polynomial. Here 3t, the maximum power is again 1, so it will be linear polynomial. And x square, here the r square, the maximum power is 2, so quadratic polynomial. And here the maximum power is again 3, that is cubic polynomial. So this is a very easy exercise in which we have to mainly get acquainted with the terms of degree of a polynomial, polynomial in one variable, two variable, three variable, coefficients of the polynomial, and cubic, quadratic and linear polynomials. In the next video, we'll deal with exercise 2.2.